If your vehicle shakes when you step on the gas and accelerate but stops shaking when you let off the gas and coast, there are several possible causes. I'll go over common reasons for this issue and how you can diagnose the problem. Most common causes of shaking. If your vehicle only shakes when you step on the gas and accelerate, the issue is most likely related to the drivetrain, the components responsible for moving the vehicle forward. This includes parts like the CV axle, U-joint, or driveline. In front-wheel drive vehicles, the most common culprit is a failing CV axle, while in rear-wheel drive vehicles, a bad U-joint is often to blame. CV axles frequently wear out, so if you drive a front-wheel drive car, this should be the first thing you check. When a CV axle starts to fail, it often produces a ticking noise, especially when turning right or left, or sometimes when shifting into reverse. A front-wheel drive vehicle has two CV axles, one on each side of the engine, connecting to the front wheels. These axles are enclosed in rubber boots that hold grease, and when they fail, they often start to leak. However, a CV axle can still be bad even without visible leakage. Since CV axle failure is a common issue in front-wheel drive vehicles, it's the first thing you should inspect. For rear-wheel drive vehicles, a possible culprit is a failing U-joint. When U-joints wear out, they can cause vibrations or, in some cases, a clunking noise, depending on the severity of the issue. If you're at a stop sign, for example, and hear a clunk when you step on the gas, a worn U-joint could be the cause. If you drive a rear-wheel drive vehicle, it's a good idea to check your U-joints to ensure they're in good condition. Another possible cause of this issue is an unbalanced tire or a damaged rim. If a rim has hit a curb, it may be slightly bent or unbalanced, leading to vibrations. This type of problem often causes vibrations that appear at certain speeds and disappear at others. For example, shaking might occur at 30 miles per hour, but smooth out at 40 miles per hour. To check for this, inspect all your rims for visible damage and consider having your tires balanced if it's been a while since the last service. Another factor to check is loose lug nuts. Go around and ensure all the lug nuts are properly tightened. This is especially important if you've recently had work done on your tires, such as a replacement or rotation, as there's a chance they weren't tightened correctly. A quick check can help prevent further issues. Another potential cause of this issue is a bad motor mount or transmission mount. Most vehicles have at least 2 motor mounts and 1 transmission mount, though the exact number can vary. If one of these mounts fails, it can throw off the alignment of the driveline or CV axle, leading to vibrations, clunking sounds, or other unusual issues. To check for a bad mount, inspect them for visible damage or signs of wear. A common symptom of a failing motor mount is excessive engine movement. You can test this by opening the hood, pressing the brake pedal, and gently applying some gas. If the engine lurches up more than usual, a mount may be bad. In severe cases, you might even be able to physically shake the engine and hear clunking noises from the damaged mount. Checking both the motor mounts and the transmission mount is an important step in diagnosing the issue. Less common causes of shaking. Next, let's go over some less common causes that don't typically lead to vibrations, but can in certain cases. These include engine or transmission issues. If there's a problem with either system, scanning the vehicle's computer will likely reveal error codes. For example, a P03001 code indicates a misfire in cylinder 1, while a P270300 suggests a transmission-related issue. Checking for these codes is easy if you have an OBD2 scan tool, which can be found online for as little as $20. If you don't have one, many auto parts stores offer free diagnostic scans. If you suspect an engine or transmission issue, the first step is to scan for error codes to help pinpoint the problem. The last potential cause, though rare, is frame damage. If the car's frame has been bent or tweaked, it could lead to issues like vibrations. However, this typically only happens after a serious accident, not just a minor fender bender. Since the frame is what everything bolts to, any significant damage could throw off the vehicle's alignment and cause problems. That's about it. If you have any thoughts or experiences to share, feel free to comment below. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.